The Greener project is a collaboration between 17 EU organizations and 4 Chinese universities. And the topic of the project is to develop a broad range of bioremediation technologies, but also to look at how those technologies can work together in so-called hybrid systems to tackle the remediation of contaminated soils and contaminated waters.
The University of Burgos will support the scientific coordination of the project. We will work on the development of phytoremediation technologies for metal removal in waters, and also we will work on the improvement of the bioaugmentation and biostimulation technologies for soils, researching the microbial community and also improving the physicochemical soil properties.
The role of LATAT within the Greener project is the development of bioelectrochemical systems for remediation purposes. We are treating different pollutants from groundwater, basically, pesticides, hydrocarbon and antibiotics mainly. And we are treating these pollutants using bioelectrochemical systems. These systems rely on microorganisms that are capable of interacting with solid electrodes, and we employ the systems to increase the performance of oxidative reactions that are taking place in the anode and reductive reactions that are taking place in the cathode, so that we can increase the bioremediation capacity in groundwaters for the target pollutants that I mentioned.
The role of TAO within Greener is to provide our partners with contaminated materials, contaminated soil and contaminated water so that they can develop their techniques and work with these materials. And also at a later stage, we are also in charge of helping to conduct piloting experiments in the field so that the best technologies that are chosen, that they have a chance to be tested in the field and see their performance. I think Greener gives a great opportunity to bring academia and industry together, and I think this is really important in order, to bring the different areas of knowledge and expertise together and move forward and really try to get things that are being developed, and there are very specific technologies that are used by universities or by research centers that they are tested on a real scale, or they are trying to be upscaled and used in the real world. And I think our role there is to try to provide our expertise in what we know that works in the real world and advise on and try to guide these partners that come from the more scientific world how to streamline their work so that it can be successful in the field.
So as we know, the contamination of land and water is a large problem and actually growing at the moment. So that's a problem in the EU, in China, and also all around the world. So I hope that the outcomes from the Greener project will help us to solve this growing problem and we can make the world a cleaner place.